Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with basic concept, theories, pedagogy and English in use language. So dear friends, this is part second. I have completed from question number 1 to 20 up to part first. So these questions are very important for एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। तो यदि आपको भी इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सके। शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 21। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 है अ टेस्ट ऑफ लिसनिंग कम्प्रीहेंशन इज ए टेस्ट ऑफ। जो टेस्ट ऑफ लिसनिंग कम्प्रीहेंशन है वो टेस्ट किसका होता है? ऑप्शन ए रिसेप्टिव स्किल, ऑप्शन बी प्रोडक्टिव स्किल, ऑप्शन सी हेयरिंग स्किल एंड ऑप्शन डी फोनोलॉजी। सो ऑप्शन ए रिसेप्टिव स्किल इज द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ 21 number. Question number 2, organization of arguments and ideas in paragraph is an important aspect of. Organization of arguments and ideas in paragraphs is an important aspect of writing essay. Option B writing memos, option C writing stories, option C writing personal letters. So option A writing essays is the correct answer. Now question number 23. Which of the following teacher will be liked most? Which of the following teacher will be liked most? Option A teacher of high idealistic attitude, option B a loving teacher, option C a teacher who is disciplined and option D a teacher who often amuses his students. So the correct answer is which of the following teacher will be liked most? Option B a loving teacher. Question number 24. Interactive listening is a. Interactive listening is a listening and responding. Option B listening for mood and tone. Option C listening for word stress and emphasis. Option D listening for finding out speaker's attitude. So option A listening and responding is the correct answer. Now question number 25. Question number 25. Which of the following is an incorrect assumption in language teaching? Option A learner acquire language by trying to use is real situation. Option B learner's first language plays an important role in learning. Option C language teaching should have a focus in communicative activities. And option D language teaching should give importance to writing rather than speech. So which of the following is an incorrect assumption? इसमें से जो गलत assumption है उसको बताना है. So option D language teaching should give importance to writing rather than speech is the correct answer. Now question number 26. Reading skill can be developed best by. Reading skill can be developed best by option A writing answers to questions on text, option B focusing on the use of words from context in the text, option C doing vocabulary exercise, option D doing quizzes and playing words. So 26 the answer is option B focusing on the use of words from context in the text. Now question number 27. Mother tongue influence can be effectively minimized in the classroom by. Mother tongue influence can be effectively minimized in the classroom by option A using the mother tongue more often, option C giving example from the mother tongue, option C giving a lot of exposure in the target language, option D giving inputs from the target language in a simple graded manner. So which one is the correct answer? Option D giving inputs from the target language in a simple graded manner. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 28. Practice of grammatical structures in a controlled manner can be done by. Practice of grammatical structure in a controlled manner can be done by option A. Correcting wrong sentences and produced by learners. Option B. Gap filling grammar exercise. Option C. Writing paragraphs and essays. Option D. Explaining the use of particular structures. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option B. Gap filling grammar exercises. Gap filling exercises is the correct answer. Gap filling grammar exercise. Now question number 29. A test which is administered at the end of a language course is a test which is administered at the end of the language course is option A. Diagnostic test, placement test. Option C. Achievement test. Option D. Memory test. So which one is the correct answer? Option A. Diagnostic test is the correct answer. Now question number 30. You come across a teacher who believes that students are naturally curious and that the best way to encourage learning is through a process of self-discovery. Such a student is highly likely to encourage dash to learn. Option A. Competition. Option B. Extrinsic motivation. Option C. Imitation. And option D. Intrinsic motivation. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option B. Extrinsic motivation. Now question number 31. These questions are very useful. So listen these questions again and again. Question number 31. The overlearning of pattern through choral repetition and drilling is the key to learning a target language. Option A. Grammar translation. Option B. Direct method. Option C. Audio lingual method. And option D. None of the above. None of the above. So option C. Audio lingual method. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 32. The target language is exclusively used to maintain a cultural island in the classroom. Grammar is inductively taught where learners are encouraged to make their own generalization about grammar rules. Option A. Grammar translation. Option B. Direct method. Option C. Communicative language teaching. And option D. None of the above. So option B. Direct method bird list is the correct answer. Now question number 33. To enhance the power of the mind, learners read literary texts in the target language and memorize vocabulary lists translated into the native language. Explicit grammar instructions of rules and their exceptions is the main focus to master the target language. Option A. Grammar translation. Option B. Direct method. Option C. The natural approach. And option D. None of the above. None of the above. So option A. Grammar translation is the correct answer. Now question number 34. Intensive practice of responses in the target language leads to better retention. Option A. Direct method. Option B. Audio lingual method. Option C. Grammar translation method. And option D. None of the above. None of the above. So option B. Audio lingual method is the correct answer. Now question number 35. A silent period is recommended until learners are ready to produce at their own pace in the target language. Option A. Direct method. Option B. Audio lingual method. Option C. The natural approach. And option D. None of the above. None of the above. So option C. The natural approach is the correct answer. Now, question number 36. Which is an example of direct assessment? Fill in the blank sentences in grammar test. Option B. True false questions testing reading comprehension. Option C. A exercise matching vocabulary with definitions. And option D. Recording short spoken answers to the questions about daily life. So which one is the correct answer? Option D. Recording salt. Option D, recording salt. Option D, yes. Recording short spoken answers to questions about daily life. Question number 37. Written language is secondary to speech since language is primarily on an oral phenomenon. Thus, listening and speaking should be given total attention in second languages class. Option A, grammar translation. Option B, communicative language teaching. Option C, audio lingual method. And option D, none of the above. None of the above. So the correct answer is option C, lingual method. This is the second last question of this video, dear friends. Please like, share and subscribe Pankaj Institute of English. Now question number 38. Accurate pronunciation and grammar are essential from the very beginning of second language instructions. Option A, direct method. Option B, the natural approach. Option C, communicative language teaching. And option D, none of the above. None of the above. So the correct answer is direct method. सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, दीज आर सम क्वेश्चंस. आई होप कि आपको ये क्वेश्चन पसंद आए होंगे.